moving on further. So this is a slide which we stopped yesterday. Okay, so all of you guys. So what is the reason for Agile? We wrapped up with that. Okay. Now the next thing which I want to tell to you people is 12 main principles in Agile methodology. Okay. Please understand. Okay. So this slide is very, very important. Particularly, I want people from the traditional background to pay 100% attention here. Traditional background means you understood, no, someone who is following a predictive approach in your companies. Okay. So it is good if you please listen and make valid notes at this juncture. Okay. So what I want to start first is, I would love to start from here. Okay. Welcome change requirements even late in development, like that. Okay, so people who attended the session yesterday, I told you, right? So welcoming changes is the beauty of Agile. Okay, because however last minute it is, okay, we have the ability to accommodate for new changes. Is that clear? But in predictive, we have to wait for the scope to get frozen. Then only we can think about any changes. Okay, I would suggest, guys, all of you guys go on mute. Even when you just move your keyboard, no, it is sounding here. Okay. So please go on mute. Okay. Yeah. So welcoming change requirements, however late in development, is a unique feature of Agile. Okay. Everyone understood, no? How exactly it will be done, I will convey later. Okay. Second point, frequently delivered software and working software. Okay. Again, I want to tell you, in yesterday's session, we told about WhatsApp, Zoom. Correct. So WhatsApp and Zoom, they are classic examples of frequently delivered software. It is not like one time in our life we got WhatsApp downloaded or Zoom downloaded. Correct. So whenever there is an update or a better release of Zoom, it will get automatically updated in the background of our application. Correct. That's why right now we are having AI Companion. AI Companion was not there. Okay, note summary was not there 6 months back. Correct. So that is what is meant by this frequently delivered software or a working software. Okay, makes sense? We don't deliver a useless product in Agile. Okay, in Agile we deliver a working software. Hope these 2 points make sense. Okay. Next one is working together. Okay. So this is pretty early at this moment to convey how exactly this working together happen. Working together means the development team and the customer team, they have a very close connection. Okay. Close collaboration. Okay. That is what this working together means. That doesn't mean that customer is ready to shoulder the responsibility of the development team. Don't take it wrongly. What do you mean by working together is, there is a close update. Every once in a week or every 2 weeks, there is an update going on to the customer. Okay. So just remember the word collaboration, customer collaboration. When you think about working together, you have to think about customer collaboration. Now, when there is customer collaboration, there is better trust and support. Okay. Because just like a case in which whenever we are having a maid at home and then she's trying to clean the house along with us, okay, when we are there in the house, then there is not much trust issue. But if we hand over the key to the maid and tell that, hey, we are going out, you clean the house and make it ready, then there is a trust issue there. Got it? We may not trust her totally. Correct? So that is what is this consequence of working together. If you are working together, then there is better trust and support. Okay, that's all I have to tell about the right side portion. And these two are not important: continuous attention and sustainable development. Okay, but let's move to this one. Simplicity, very important, because Agile believes in simplicity in terms of delivery, documentation, everything. There is no hell lot of documentation in Agile. Are you getting the point? The documentation is very simple. Okay, there are, as far as PMP curriculum is concerned, there are only 2 documents. Okay, product backlog and sprint backlog in Agile. Okay, so are you able to understand what I'm telling? Simplicity, bare minimum documentation, not very heavy. But predictive, on the other hand, is very heavy. People, yesterday's session, if you recall, WBS, scope baseline, requirement traceability metrics, WBS dictionary, scope statement. Just in yesterday's session, how many terminologies, how many processes, how many tools we studied in predictive. That is not the case in Agile. It is very simple. Simple means the framework is very simple. Okay, that's what I'm trying to convey. And then next is self-organizing teams. Okay, this is a very beautiful concept. I'm not sure how many of you guys will be able to understand that. Okay, so what I want to tell you is simplicity means what? Self-organizing teams means the team, okay, is as competent as the person who is leading it. Let's say a Scrum Master. Okay, so the team is very well knowledgeable and they know how to take decisions at what time. Are you getting? That is what is a self-organizing team. They don't wait for updates from their manager. Are you getting my point? They don't wait for updates from their manager. Okay, hey, I'm waiting for some inputs like that. So that is the meaning of a self-organizing team. They know each other. They know how to prioritize the task. Only when there is an issue which they are not able to resolve, they will reach out to the Scrum Masters. Okay, that's it. So next point is after self-organizing, reflect and adjust. Okay, let me hear from some experts here. What is the name of the meeting where we do this reflection and adjustment in Agile? Can you tell me?
Retrospective.
What is the name?
Yeah, retrospective.
Like Satya said, the name of the meeting is retrospective. So what is the purpose? If I look at the English word retrospection, okay, retro means past, spection means look. So retrospection means look at the past. So what is the purpose of this meeting retrospective? To understand what went wrong, what could have been done in a better way, okay, and what all good practices I did in the previous sprint, so that I can incorporate those good practices in the future sprint. Like that and all, each and every team member will discuss, okay. But please keep in mind, this is not an opportunity to blame game. Okay, don't think that, hey, you did it wrong, like that. That is not the purpose of a retrospective. Okay, guys, make sense? And then lastly, this is a very, very important point. Okay, customer satisfaction through early and continuous delivery of useful software. So, recording is there, no? Yeah, okay. Oh, you joined us. Okay. So, customer satisfaction through early and continuous delivery of useful software. This is a very, very, very important point. Okay, guys, go on mute others. There is still a windy sound from some of you guys. Okay. Yeah, not silence. Yeah. So customer satisfaction through early delivery means what? In Agile, we don't wait for a full-fledged, perfect product. Correct? No, I told you. What is the goal of project management with the incremental approach? Can you guys tell? Yesterday we spoke. What is the goal of incremental delivery?
It's delivered. It's minimum viable product.
Minimum viable product. Other than that,
it's a working software.
What is it? No. Yesterday goal, when I said goal, is only one. Speed, exactly. Speed or early go to market. So don't get distracted when goal is being asked. You have to tell speed or early go to market, because that's a primary aim. See, working software and all is a secondary output. So what is the primary aim? Speed or early go to market. So what is possible here? Customer satisfaction through early and continuous delivery. Okay, early delivery through the form of MVP. That's what Satya said. Then it is not getting over there. If the MVP is very well accepted in the customer segment, then there will be continuous delivery, and that too a useful software, not a useless machine. Okay, this is what is the crux of Agile, guys. Okay, if you have any questions, you can quickly raise hand and ask. Otherwise, if you have any points to tell also, you can tell.